Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get free UGC on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, open up your Roblox application and then you're going to search for this game, the Block. You just need to go to the search bar and then type in the Block and then you can join the game. And for now guys, it's SPA edition and the idol who comes to the blog will be different for every update, and for now it's SPA. And then I'm going to join the game. And I have already joined the game, and this is the way to get the free UGC. And you will get this guitar. You will get this item by attending the full SPA fashion show. Okay, I'm going to click on OK, and then we can go to this area. And the SPA fashion show starts in 10 hours 37 minutes. So make sure that you're in the game when the fashion show starts. Okay, and you will be able to claim the free UGC. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.